We are the crazy crafters of CRAFTISTIC CRAZE. Welcome to our channel. Today let's make a tree house. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Let's get started. Things you'll need are popsicle sticks, a branch of a tree, a wooden plank, a saw, glue gun, scissors, screwdriver, a ruler and a paper cutter. Take a wooden board and cut it in a square shape. Then take the branch and cut it to a size around 15 inches tall. Mark the center of the board. Screw a nail from below onto the center. Apply some glue onto the board and fix the branch from top first. Then start tightening the screw onto the branch from below. We are now going to make the first base. Lay the popsicle sticks straight until it measures around 15 centimeters, and then using a few other popsicle sticks, you must glue them together. Now draw a straight line at the two edges and trim it off to make a square. Then mark a point at the center of the base. Draw a circle around it, which will be the circumference of the tree branch. Cut it very carefully. Once done, insert the base onto the branch and glue it to fix it on place. Next, take pieces of popsicle sticks to paste around the borders of the first base. Our first base is now ready. We are now heading on to the second base. You have to make this base 9 by 9 inches. You can place the popsicle sticks as shown and glue them together. Now we are going to mark a point at the center of one edge and then draw a circle around and cut it off. Paste popsicle sticks all around the base to form a border. Fix it onto the branch. As you can see, the second base is not strong enough to stand alone. So according to the height, take popsicle sticks and paste one on top of the other to make it strong, and paste it from the bottom to the second base at the other corner. Let's now start making our house. First, we are going to make the windows on the two sides of the house. Watch the video for a clear picture on how to make it. Trim off the excess parts. Take a piece of popsicle and cut off from the middle and use it to divide the window panes. Next, we are heading to make the back of the house. Again, watch the video for a clear picture. Now, using the same base, we are going to make the front part of the house. Here we will be making another window and a door. the 4 pieces are ready. We must now slit off the popsicle sticks into 2 and use them to make frames around the windows and the door. When that is done, take a CD and cut it off in small pieces to cover the windows. Now, glue all the 4 pieces together. Place the house where you need it and glue it onto the second base. We are going to make a base for the roof. We must make 2 triangular shapes, one to the front and another to the back. First, take a few popsicle sticks and trim the edges on sideways. Watch the video to get a clear picture on how to place the sticks and glue it. Here again, you have to draw a line and trim off the excess parts. Once complete, place them on top of the house and glue it. Next, use a popsicle stick to attach the 2 triangles together from the center. It's now time to make the roof. See how it is placed and pasted together. You have to make 2 sets of them. Apply glue onto the roof base and paste them onto it. Our house is now ready. From here onwards, it's totally up to you for decorations. We applied varnish and let it dry overnight. Next day, we added a few detailings onto it. Ta-da! Our tree house is ready. How many of you want a real tree house? I would love to own one. Give us your feedback on the video. It will help us grow. If you liked our video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for future videos. Until then, see you next time.